Hey there, this is David from EVnSteven, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how the receivable tab in the billing function works on the EVnSteven app. Again, at the bottom we have the main 5 windows of the application: vehicle, stations, charging, billing, and support. And so we're going to be focusing on billing, and in billing we have pending, payable, receivable, and paid. So in this tutorial, we're going to talk about receivables. So as a station owner, you will see receivables tab. If you're a station, if you don't have any stations, you won't see it. You won't see this at all. And this is a list of all of the invoices that have been sent out to users of your stations. So in this case, I have 2 bills that are not yet paid. And going from the top, you see July 2024, the bill ID, the station owner, the bill due date, the bill date, the due date, and it's in red because it's past the due date. We see the period, start and end. The payment is received. Status is no. Payable to, email. Payable by, email. The number of charging sessions in that period. The list of sessions, which you can inspect. And then we have a summary at the bottom: total sessions, total energy delivered, and we have an issue here that's going to be resolved in the release. So just know that that will be fixed. And then the average hourly rate, which is $1.27. And the total net, the total tax, and the gross total, which is $1.89. So if you are a station user and you see this in this bill in your payable tab, that's an indication that you need to pay this person. So you'll either use an email money transfer, or they'll charge your credit card, or you'll drop cash off at their office, or send them a check. Whatever payment method, you can use Bitcoin. You're going to send a payment through whatever payment system you choose. And then when they receive it, they'll acknowledge the payment by simply verifying the amount that they received and then marking the invoice as paid. Once they do that, it will disappear from the payable tab for the user, and it will show up in their paid tab. So that's how you mark bills as paid, and we'll just do the same thing with this one. We'll mark this one as paid, and now the receivables are empty, and everybody's paid up. So the users will see their payable tab as empty. They'll see their receipt, and station owners will see their receivable tab as empty, and all the paid bills will be always available in the paid tab all the way back to the beginning of time. So that concludes the tutorial on the receivable tab. Please take a moment to watch the final tutorial on the billing tab, which is this one. And appreciate you. Thanks very much for watching. Have a great day. Thanks for using EVnSteven.